Day of the result. Basically, they have tried very hard along with the teachers. And you should salute, basically me, I'm saluting them for their extreme hard work. They really got hard, really struggled to get the program settled up. We say you our program list. Apart from the other formalities, there are such programs that will be loved by you all. Our Chandrashil song is there, is a theme song of our Chandrashil Vidyapit. Apart from there is Saraswati Bandana. Afterwards, Slok's dance is there. Slok is one of the students, junior students of our school. What happens to him, let's see. I don't want to reveal what is the theme of the dance of Slok. After that you will get classical dance. I mean all sorts of musical effects you will get over here. And I hope you'll enjoy. Fashion show is there. Fashion show, have you ever seen fashion show? Yes? Fashion show, have you ever seen? Today you will see. Yeah. By the students of Chandrashil Vidyapit. All the stars are standing over there. Our students are our stars. Our students are our stars. They all are present over here and they will give you the best. So I cordially welcome our director sir, ma'am, principal ma'am.
Our principal to escort our honorable director, the Rajivs, to the stage for lighting the candle. I request them to come forward. Give them a huge round of ovation. Now I request our director sir to commence the program along with madam to commence the program by lighting the candle.
दीप प्रज्वलन अर्थात अपने हृदय को सकारात्मक ऊर्जा से प्रकाशित करना। जी हाँ, कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ दीप प्रज्वलन से करने का ध्येय है कि हम अपने समस्त दुख, निराशा, अवसाद को विस्मृत कर अपने हृदय को दीपक से प्रकाशित करें।
You're requested to take your seat. Thank you so much. I think I need not tell you what the light symbolizes, what the candle lighting symbolizes. It symbolizes that for a while, forget all your worries, forget all your tension, and be present not just in physique, but also in your spirit wholeheartedly. Now it's time for us to listen to the principal. I request our principal to let us know the journey of this academic year, whatever we have seen, and also the future plans. I request our principal to take over.
Thank you, Kundan. A warm good afternoon to our Honorable Director, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, Mrs. Sunita Dwivedi, all parents, guardians assembled here, and all the members of Chandrashil family on this annual day celebration of Chandrashil Vidyapit. Our institution is a manifestation of the vision of our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Chandrasekhar Dwivedi and late Mrs. Sheila Devi. Their vision is presently being carried out by their son, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, who was himself a visionary. We are pleased to have his solicitation at every step to soar high effectively. Chandrasheel Vidyapith came into existence in the year 2000 and has covered about 14 years of its journey. It has produced many dynamic personalities who all are well posted in different places. In course of time, we have also come up with 2 new branches at Chakia and Raxaul and a B.Ed college in our next campus. We are looking forward to providing higher education like BBA, BCA, etc. as we believe that children should move out from here only after they have completed their journey of education from Chandrasheel. We have incorporated new and upcoming changes and methods of teaching from time to time, like audio-visual classes, well known as smart classes, so on. Recently, we have started concept classes, which you are well aware of, which has been a boon in building a strong foundation of our children, focusing on their English, maths, and science. To keep our children up to date with their syllabus or at their toes, we have started taking weekly tests on every Monday and Saturdays. We have also tried our level best to give classes on spoken English, which haven't yet proved to be very effective till date, which I admit. Of course, it's true we have to do a lot in this regard as we lack English-speaking culture. But if you support me, I assure you a changed environment to your surprise in this regard. The only thing I want from you is to spend just 150 rupees towards subscription of an English newspaper like Times of India. The rest, you can leave it to us. As I believe, reading habit is a very good habit, and I urge you to inculcate a regular reading habit in your child at home. This will help both of us to see our children developing among the English culture. We hold various competitions like Rangoli, debates, quizzes, etc. from time to time. We have conducted science cum art cum SST exhibition involving active participation of our students, followed by a wide display of live models and projects. Above all, you must have seen the monthly school magazine named Chandrasheel Sanskar, which is a medium to judge out the creativity of children. We have also introduced karate classes for strengthening the physical and mental ability of our children, whether a boy or a girl, as we believe both are equal. We are planning to do much better in days to come. We admit that we are not perfect, as no one is perfect, neither you nor I. But we have miles to go to reach our destination. Walking along this path towards our goal to achieve, we invite your suggestions for upliftment of the entire scenario. In the next session, you will be glad to know that we are coming up with special classes on personality development, which will help to grow your child's personality, as we are stressing upon the holistic development of our children. Today almost All parents dream about their child to become an engineer or a doctor. We have walked a few steps to fulfill their dreams. Very soon in the new session, a team of experts will be here to coach our plus 2 students. For our students, we are coming up with a beautiful basketball court, a lawn tennis court, a canteen and a new set of washrooms in the new session. I'm glad to inform you about our new girls hostel. We are starting up in a 3-acre campus, the best in Bihar, from the coming session, that is 2014-15. If you wish, you can have a glance at it by just giving 10 minutes after this annual function. It's just next to our behind campus. Before concluding, we welcome your suggestions in the interest of the school and children. Though our journey is quite long, we need devoted and dedicated members helping us to reach the zenith, and of course, your support all throughout to help our dreams come true. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking us through a journey of our institution since the beginning till date, in a nutshell, covering almost everything. As you have heard yourself, our institution is a manifestation of the vision of our Honorable Chairman, which is being carried out by our Director, who is himself a visionary. Considering his vision and its manifestation, I think it's no hyperbole to call him an embodiment of commitment, a personification of dedication, an epitome of success, a metonymy of willpower. But again, I need not tell you, you must have heard a popular saying, the taste of the pudding is in its eating. Doesn't matter whatever I tell you about his plans, about the things that are going to take place through this institution, it will be very little in comparison with what you hear from him yourselves. So now it's time for our Director to let us know whatever is laid in his heart. Over to our Honorable Director, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan.
Principal, Chanshil Vidyapit, Mrs. Goswami. Principal, the Chanshil School Raxaul, Shubhkesh Kumar. Principal, Chanshil School Chakia, Ashok Rai. यहाँ उपस्थित सभी अभिभावकगण, चंदशील परिवार के सभी शिक्षकगण एवं सहयोगी, प्यारे बच्चों, देवियों और सज्जनों, सबसे पहले मैं अपने स्कूल के प्रांगण में आयोजित इस वार्षिकोत्सव में आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं, हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। आप सभी ने देखा होगा पिछले कुछ दिनों में मौसम का ऐसा मिजाज हो रखा था कि लगा शायद हमारे इस कार्यक्रम में कुछ अड़चन लग जाएगी, मगर ऊपर वाले के बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं। उन्होंने हमारी बच्चों की मेहनत, उनके सपने, हमारे शिक्षकगण की मेहनत, उनका उत्साह, उनके उमंग का ध्यान रखा। हम आपके सही तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हैं। आज से करीब 15 वर्ष पूर्व हमारे परिवार ने इस विद्यालय की स्थापना इस सपने को साकार करने के लिए की थी कि समाज में जो अशिक्षा है, जो अशिक्षा फैली हुई है, उसको दूर करें, लोगों को शिक्षित करें, उनका मार्गदर्शन करें और एक विकसित आयाम की स्थापना की जा सके। इसी सपने को साकार करने में हमारा विद्यालय चंद्रशील विद्यापीठ और हमारी अन्य संस्थाएं एक सुदृढ़ साधन के रूप में कार्यरत है। हालांकि हमारी शुरुआत एक छोटे सी इकाई के रूप में की गई थी, जैसा मैडम ने आपको प्रिंसिपल मैडम ने बताया। 2000 में एक छोटी शुरुआत थी, जैसे कि हर शुरुआत होती है, मगर आप सभी के सहयोग से, आप सभी के आशीर्वाद से, और जैसे जीवन में उतार चढ़ाव होते हैं उसी तरीके से हमारे इस विद्यालय ने